Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Toshiba 5-disc DVD CD player to show you. But before we get into it, did you know that John Wayne owns the title for the most starring roles in a movie? Well, now you do. Let's get into this. The model number of it is SD-2705U, and I'll show you the rear panel real quick. So right here, you have your digital audio optical as well as coaxial over here. And then you've got analog audio. Here is composite output for the lowest quality, and then component output for the highest quality. And then S-video. You can switch between S-video and component right there. And then you also have two analog audio outputs, so you can connect to two separate audio outputs. So let's get it plugged in and play a DVD. I'm going to connect it using the component cable. All you have to do is match up the colors. And then we'll plug in the audio cable as well. Then as long as you've got it all wired up correctly, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. And then here's what your original remote looks like for it. You can see all the buttons right there. You have a random function if you want to load up some CDs into it or listen to audio tracks on a DVD. And then with the menu button, you can quickly skip the previews and just watch your movie. And then you have a disc skip button on the remote, and then you can also go backwards and forwards in slow motion. And then for the front panel, you have your disc select buttons, and then a random button if you want to shuffle a CD, and a repeat function. And then over here you have your disc skip, exchange, menu, enter, and then you've got a dial pad right here too to navigate the menus, as you can see there. Then you've got your standard functions, play, stop, pause, backwards, forwards, and then open and close. And then with the exchange button, it lets you load 4 discs while one continues to play. So you can see that right there. But that's pretty much all there is to this device. If you want to order one, you can get it on our online store, or you can give us a call.